there! In this video, we're going to discuss the data structures in Focus. An organizational tree is the easiest way to picture the relationship between organizations, facilities, and projects. The example diagram below depicts a single organization with 3 facilities, each facility with its own project. There are 4 main data structures in Focus. First, we have the organization. This is synonymous with a company. An organization represents the legal entity who owns an asset or performs services. Organizations sit at the top of the data structure. Next, we have facilities. You can think of these as a building or construction address. A facility represents the physical location and associated attributes of a solar farm, wind turbine, warehouse, etc. Many facilities can belong to a single organization. Next, we have projects. The term project is often used by our customers to represent a facility, but for us, a project is a body of work or services that we provide as a supplier. A facility may have many projects that include separate scopes of work we provide throughout the life cycle of a facility. During initial construction, Project 1 may include an interconnection and SCADA system. Later, Project 2 may include an extended warranty or services package. Many projects can belong to a single facility. Finally, we have users. Users are represented by user accounts and are uniquely identified by their email address. Users may be invited to an organization, a facility, or a project with unique permissions to each. Users who are invited to an organization or facility automatically have access to all data structures below where they were invited via an inherited permission. Users can belong to multiple organizations, facilities, and projects with different permissions for each. When a user is assigned to any part of this organizational tree, the user has access to the data structures at and below the level of assignment, but not above. For example, assigning a user to the Acme Energy Incorporated, an organization, grants the user access to the organization, all of the facilities, and all of the projects. On the other hand, assigning a user to Proposal 2, a project, below Go Big Solar, a facility, grants the user access only to Proposal 2. Now let's take a look at this in Focus. In Focus, we can see the corresponding organization here. If we click the drop-down menu next to the pencil button, we can see the corresponding facilities below. Again, clicking that drop-down arrow, we can see our facilities listed. To the left of each of those facilities, we can hit the I button to go to that facility. Clicking there brings us to the individual facility, and from there we can add facility users using this green plus button. We can also see a list of projects for each facility. In order to view the projects for our chosen facility, we'll click on the drop-down menu to the right of projects. Clicking that drop-down menu will give us a list of projects. You can then click on the I button next to each project to view more information. This is an overview of the data hierarchy in Focus.